Today I'll show you how to make soft fluffy pancakes from scratch, both classic and chocolate chip. By the end of this video, you will know the right batter consistency and cooking tips for perfect pancakes every time, so make sure you watch till the end. Now let's start by putting together our dry ingredients. I'm measuring 1 cup of flour and sifting it into the bowl to remove lumps and keep the pancakes light. I repeat the same process with the 2nd cup of flour. Next, I add half a cup of sugar and sift it in as well. Then half a teaspoon of salt. This is what the dry ingredients look like once combined. I'll set this aside for now. In another bowl, we will mix our wet ingredients. I start by cracking in the first egg. Then the second egg. I'll be using margarine for this recipe. This has now been melted in the microwave. I add 4 tablespoons of the melted margarine. Then I whisk to combine. Next, I add 1 cup of evaporated milk, followed by 1.5 cups of water. I whisk again until everything is well mixed. Now I bring back the dry ingredients and give them a quick mix before adding them to the wet ingredients. I gradually whisk everything together until I get a smooth batter. Ensure you're careful not to overmix here. Now this is the consistency you should be looking for: smooth, pourable, and not too thick. I'll be using this smiley face pan today. My kids love it because the pancakes come out in fun shapes. I lightly oil the pan to prevent sticking. Then I pour the batter into each section of the pan. Once bubbles start to form on the surface, it's time to flip and cook the other side. Look how soft and fluffy these pancakes are. Now, let's move over to making the chocolate chip version. These are the chocolate chips I'm using. This is not a paid ad, by the way. What is good is good. Now I'll lightly oil the pan again. Then pour in the batter mixed with chocolate chips. I let the first side cook properly before flipping. I flip gently and continuously until the pancakes are fully cooked through. And that's it. Our chocolate chip pancakes are ready. Please note that with this recipe, I was able to make 7 mini-sized and 7 large-sized pancakes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!